They built an app without writing a single line of code. 6 months later, $2 million in revenue. No investors, no fancy team, just AI and two friends who refused to quit. Meet Ethan and Liam, two 20-something college students trying to build something meaningful. Ethan studied business, always dreaming big but broke. Liam was a frustrated coder who hated debugging more than exams. They wanted to create a fitness app that helps people stay consistent, but they didn't have money, a team, or time. Every quote from developers cost thousands of dollars. One night, while scrolling through Reddit, Ethan found something new, a tool called v0.dev. It could build entire apps from text prompts using AI. Skeptical but curious, Ethan typed, "Create a fitness app that tracks habits, rewards users, and suggests workouts." 10 minutes later, a complete working prototype appeared on his screen. They called it FitSpark because every change starts with a spark. They launched FitSpark on Product Hunt the next day. No ad budget, no PR, just a post, a dream, and hope. But people loved it. The comments exploded. Finally, a fitness app that doesn't feel robotic. Rewarding me for progress? Genius. Using Chatbase and Zyro AI, Liam added a smart chatbot coach inside the app, one that could track habits and motivate users daily. Then something unexpected happened. A TikTok video about FitSpark went viral. This app pays you to stay healthy. Downloads skyrocketed. Nutrition brands reached out, offering sponsorship deals and affiliate programs. They integrated them quickly. AI even helped automate their partnerships and payment system. 6 months later, FitSpark had generated over $2 million in revenue from subscriptions and affiliate commissions. Two broke students turned into full-time founders with a team of 10. Investors who once ignored their emails suddenly wanted in. But Ethan and Liam said no. They were already profitable. The real lesson? You don't need to be a coder anymore. You just need an idea and the courage to use AI to bring it to life. Tools they used: v0.dev, build apps from text; Appify AI, AI mobile app; Creator Chatbase, train your own chatbot, Zyro AI; personalize conversations; TappyLink, manage affiliate offers. Their success proved one thing: innovation isn't about who can code, it's about who can create and execute faster. And AI gives everyone that power. The next million-dollar app might be inside your head. And with AI, you could build it tonight, even if you've never written a single line of code. Subscribe for more real AI money stories, because the next success story could be yours.